Hello everyone, today we will learn the concept of angle of elevation. When we observe any object which is placed above the level of our eye, suppose here we have an object and this object is placed above the level of our eye. So, when such situation arises, at that time the line of sight makes an angle with the horizontal. So the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizontal, here we have this is as the line of sight. Okay, that means through this line we are observing the object which is above the level of our eye. So the line of sight is making an angle with the horizontal. This angle is termed as angle of elevation. So generally the angle of elevation is represented by theta, but it is not necessary that we should represent the angle of elevation by using theta. We can use any other symbols to represent the angle. Okay, so to understand this concept more precisely, let us solve a problem. Here is given that in the problem we can see a kite is flying attached to a thread which is 165-meter long. Okay, suppose we have a kite here. Okay, and this kite is attached through a thread which is 165-meter long. Okay, now if you move forward, it is given that the thread makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Here the ground means to say the horizontal. Okay, now this 165-meter long thread is the line of sight through which an observer is observing the kite from the ground. So this line of sight is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Okay, so in the question they have asked to find the height of the kite from the ground. That means we need to find this height of kite from the ground. Now let us name the points. Suppose this point is A, this is B, and this is C. Here we are getting a right angle triangle. Okay, now since ABC is a right angle triangle, so this is our hypotenuse, this is our perpendicular, sorry, this is perpendicular, and this gives us the base. Okay, now we have given with the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, and we are required to find out the perpendicular. So here we know, as we have learned earlier in trigonometric part, that the relation between hypotenuse and perpendicular is given by sine theta, and that is sine theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC we have sine 30 degree is equals to perpendicular, that means here this it's AC. Okay, and hypotenuse, that is AB. So sine value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, and AC is not given, the height of the kite from the ground, which we need to find out, and AB is given as 165 meter. So from here we are getting that AC is equals to 165 meter by 2, which is equals to 82.5 meter, and this is the required height of kite from ground. So I hope the concept of angle of elevation is clear to everyone. Thank you.